Hey everyone, welcome. This is the instructional video to demonstrate how to set up an account on our latest AI educational platform. So first things first, go to a web browser and type in WYN Education.streamlit.app. It will bring you to this site. So on the left hand panel, there's instruction, login, forgot password, and the register user session. If you're a first-time user, please use the payment and this link to submit your payment, and then it will provide you a payment key. For returning students, in the email that I sent for you guys will receive a payment key in that email, and you guys do not have to pay again. You can use that payment key to enter here and to register user using your preferred email, login, and password information. And then you can come back to login here to log in to access the content. Allow me to demonstrate. Once logged in, you'll be able to see this interface. This is the main course link that I update the latest information and material with my current students. I use this as an interface to allow my previous students, as well as any audience out there, to access the content that I use to teach the classes that I operate right now. If you scroll down, you will see the session that right now the default is introduction. The introduction page will walk you through different level of contents that I'm teaching my current students. If you have something that you're interested in, please feel free to check it out. You can use the drop-down button on the left-hand side under Choose a Session to click in different sections that you like. For example, artificial neural networks. You can come back to this session and read about the content that I use to teach the students. In addition to reading, you can also interact with the materials using our latest large language models. So using the drop-down button and go to AI Tutor, you'll be able to see and choose any domain that you like. You can go to a programmer and ask the programmer tutor to teach you how to code. For example, you could say, write a Python code for me to compute Fibonacci number. You hit enter, and then you wait a little bit. The AI tutor will be able to give you a snippet of code to teach you how to execute the task according to the question that you asked. And as another example, just to show you guys a little bit more about the capability of this platform, if you feel frustrated about certain projects, you can actually ask our AI tutor by choosing CBT. CBT is short for cognitive behavior therapy, which is a particular branch of psychology that deal with mental health illness, such as depression, anxiety, and so on and so forth. So to use another function, what I recommend is the refresh. So you refresh your screen, and then you navigate to AI Tutor, and then you can select CBT. And then you can enter a question about something that perhaps you feel bad about. For example, I can enter the following content. I feel like I'm failing my exam. I don't know what to do. And then you hit enter. At this time, the AI therapist will try to come up with certain content, feedback, to help you address the problems, the needs that you're having in your current problem. Here we see that I understand that feeling like you're failing your exam can cause you stress and anxiety. It's important to address this issue using cognitive behavior therapy that can help you change your thought patterns and sharpen your problem-solving skills. And here's a list of items that perhaps you can think about to see if it's helpful or not. Now, of course, this is a large language model. It's an AI algorithm, and it's only acting like a therapist. It's, of course, not a licensed product. So, for those of you out there, I want to remind you while you're using this product that please use this as a reference. And if you have a more serious problem, please reach out to your therapist. With that being said, hope you enjoyed this episode. Hopefully you like our product, and I hope that all of you enjoy using it. Stay tuned with my current students, stay tuned with me, and definitely check out the latest version of this app, because this will be continuously updated as I move on to teach more of my students. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.